Today we're installing 62 electricity power stations here at New Jersey Motorsports Park. These are mounted on the wall. We're doing a test example right here. These are in the garages. Things get underway in March when this garage is totally filled up with cars. Tomorrow we'll do another 40 of these installing in the garages on this park. They're all circuit breaker protected for safety. All they do is pull out their cell phone, find the Clear Token app, select how many hours they desire. Example, here charging $20 for 2 hours, or for 4 hours, or 6 hours, or 8 hours. End of this short video.